Hi, hello, I am the Cyber Roof Guru. Thank you for watching. Alright, today we're going to have an exciting unboxing. A while ago I saw an ad on the internet for the new ISOtunes earbuds. They are wireless, they have wireless charging, and there's no wire between them. They're just sit in your ears like the Apple AirPods. And so I took a chance, I pre-ordered them. There was a discount code to save a little bit of money on the pre-order, and they arrived just the other day. So we're gonna unbox them, we're gonna play around with them, hopefully they'll be charged and we can actually use them, and we'll see how it goes. So let's do that. So, took the paper off, let's see. Okay. Oh, all right. Modern packaging. Things don't slide out anymore, apparently. They snap open. So the last product unboxing I did, actually, same thing. I tried to slide it out from the side, and it turns out it was a magnetic flip top. So let's flip it open. Okay. So interesting. Hey. Hey. Thank you for your order. Stand behind your product. 100% satisfaction guarantee, 30-day return policy, and a 1-year warranty. All right. All right, so in the box, we have a little manual here. Awesome. And a little set of instructions, I guess. The earbuds. What I'm guessing is the carrying and charging case, and then all of the little earbud adapter thingies. And then the cable looks like a standard USB to USB-C, which is good. I don't have large hands, but that was really hard to get out. Okay, so pulling it out, looks like I kind of ripped this guy off. Now, like the other ISOtunes, these screw in. They're supposed to, yeah, they do. They screw in like this. But pulling out of the package, I kind of pulled it off of its little screw stud thing, which is fine. You can always order more if you need to. So, looking at these, they look just like the regular, just about any earbuds. They've got little charging, I'm guessing is charging ports right here, and they're labeled left and right. And let's open this guy up. Okay, yeah. So interesting. So inside the charging case here, there's these little pins you have to rest them on, and then I'm guessing you shut the case, and they will charge. So, and they're also labeled left and right. So, oh, look at that. They just snap right in. Looks like they have magnets. That's awesome. Don't worry about aligning them, and then you can shut the case. Right. I thought they had wireless charging where you could set this on a thingamadooger, but it doesn't look that way. So let's see. So I should probably read the instructions because they're blinking and they clearly want me to do something. So a quick start guide. Whoops. All right. So quick start guide might be a good idea. So I'm gonna thumb through this real quick and figure out what's going on and how to do this. So I'll be right back. All right, so I flipped through the manual. There's really only a couple pages here. The entire size of the manual is because it's in multiple languages. The long and short of it is you take them out of the case here, you turn one on, you pair it with your phone, and then the other one will automatically pair according to what it says in instructions. I haven't done that yet because I'm going to do it right here. All right, so let's give this a go. Let's see if we can pair this guy. Let's open this, grab the phone. Okay, so if I grab the right one, it starts flashing blue and red, which means single earbud pairing. Oh, look, okay, ISOtunes, free. Doot doot. It said something. Yes, I would like to pair. Okay, so this is right. Okay. Squish this guy in. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I went to push it in and I pushed the button and the music started. So, all right, right off the bat, I can't really hear anything. They're doing a pretty good job with the noise isolation, so hopefully I'm not shouting. I can obviously hear myself talk, but it's that kind of like, you know, headphone talk. All right, you can, they fit very well. Doesn't feel like they're gonna fall out. They fit much better than my ISOtunes Pro, which is interesting. You know, it remains to be seen based on noise reduction, how well they work when I'm moving around. But one of the issues I had with the ISOtunes Pro is when I would turn my head, the cord would get caught on my neck and then it would pull just a little bit one of the earbuds out and let a lot of noise in. And then when I turn my head back, they would go back into position. I don't think that's going to be an issue with these. So that's going to be really, really wonderful. Let's see what the sound sounds like. All right, so one, there we go, beep, okay. Okay, so let's see. So I started the music, sounds pretty good. Push to turn up, double push to turn down, one tap starts, one tap stops. Gotta be honest with you, double tapping is kind of pushing it into my ear. It's a little awkward, but you know, I can also just turn it up on my phone. And the reality is once the volume level is set, I don't think I'm gonna be futzing with it a whole lot. I am gonna be turning it off and turning it back on in terms of starting and stopping the music. So I'm not going to test obviously a phone call at this point unless oddly someone chooses to call me in the middle of this video, which is not the first time that that's happened, but nevertheless. Okay, so that's it. Let's pause, take them out. All right, so they actually fit, wow. I don't know why I'm shocked that it's a lot easier to hear with these out than in. They really do cancel out a good deal of noise, which is, you know, duh, the reason I purchased them. But I don't know why I'm being so obtuse about that. All right, so, you know, the initial use, they seem to work very well. I am going to put them in their little case and I am going to charge them. I think just, you know, me just putting them in, turning my head a couple times, I think I'm gonna like them a lot better than my ISOtunes Pro because of the wire. Now I did find with the ISOtunes Pro that I used to keep the wire behind my head and it really was pulling the earbud out of my ear when I would turn left and right. And so when I started keeping it in front of me, it reduced that pulling it out completely, but it was pulling it and letting some additional noise in. And that's okay, I suppose. I got used to it, I learned to work around it, but it was not optimal. So clearly these are not going to have that problem. Now whether or not they fall out just randomly, I don't think so, given how well they fit. They actually fit really well in my ears, and I don't have the largest ears in the world, which is not, I guess, too surprising, but they seem to fit very well. And the sound, pretty decent, fair amount of bass. It doesn't sound tinny at all. I haven't done, you know, obviously a call on it to find out, you know, what the cell phone call sounds like with the microphone, but that'll happen over time. All right, so that's it. That's the video. That is the unboxing. That is the initial use of what is known as the ISOtunes Free. They are the noise canceling and noise reduction headphones from ISOtunes. They are the wireless earbuds. They charge in this lovely little case through this cable, and there's many adapters. So this is, I think it's gonna work out very well. I think I'm gonna like these a lot better than my previous setup. So, okay, that's it. Thank you for making it this far. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, I would appreciate a thumbs up anyway, but I would like you to comment down below and tell me why you didn't like the video. That would be really important so we can make future videos better. If you're not already following me on Instagram, please do so at CyberReefGuru. I post a lot of pictures throughout the week about projects I'm working on, many of which turn into videos. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, very important these days, and don't forget to be inspired. Hi, it's the future CyberReefGuru. Turns out, just put them in the charging case and they're fully charged out of the box. I don't know if that's an anomaly or not, but that's really cool that they're fully charged. So I can start using them right away. That's amazing. Just want to throw that in there at the end, and thank you for watching again. See everyone soon. And then, not so long ago on the interwebs, I saw an ad for, and I also received via email, an ad for the ISOtunes Pro wireless earbuds. Wow. Wow. Holy hell. Okay. So a while ago I saw an ad on the internet for the new ISOtunes earbud noise protection devices. What are they called? I don't even know what the they're called. Shit. I think the Hi.
Hi.
You want to throw that out here now that the door's open?
No. Thanks. Bye.
Hi. All right.